Okay, after 3 times callback, yeah, we found the leak coming from here, this sewer line as a pinhole. Oh, yeah, like that. It's not coming from the top above the apartment. This one is this one is dry, but yesterday we already fixed this stem above the apartment, cook the bathtub floor, and pull out the remote, uh, add some wax to the commode. So for the finally I found the leak right here. See? Okay, yeah, sa pinhole. Okay, see you guys later. This is 3 times callback. Yeah, all the times drip. Yeah, already found the leak. Okay, see this big damage to the ceiling. Finally I found the leak. Yeah, like this. It's a Saturday. I'm still working. We just finished the kitchen sink backing up. This is second job. Okay, I'm gonna do is to put the Pranco, the tiny Pranco, and clamp it. So I'm gonna do it for the temporary repair only. Yeah, because Saturday I don't have time, you know. Okay. Important upon the leak after 3 times call back. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the video. Okay. Okay, right now I'm gonna put the Pranco and clamp.
Okay.
Remove this bucket.
Okay.
This is the one I'm gonna use, guys, and tiny rubber. Use the clamp. This for temporary repair. Yeah, after 3 times callback. I'm glad from the pinhole. I'll put this one first. This is a major job, you know. Have to cut the 3-inch pipe sewer line and use the I think you can use the PVC or just slide the rubber in the Pranco. After that, tidy it up. Yeah, just like that. But right now is Saturday, so I didn't have time to do that, you know. These three inside clamp. Oh, you see, I run the water again. Okay, yes, good. To wipe it up. And, okay, good. Yes, I can do like this. This one is temporary repair. There's nothing in the middle. Okay. Temporary repair. After that, you need to flush the toilet upstairs. Make sure no more leak, because this 3 times, they call 3 times, all back all the time. Okay. Okay, one guy gonna go upstairs to flush the toilet. Okay, you can go over there. Make sure no more leak. Yeah, go upstairs. Yeah. After that, after you flush 3 times or 2 times, something like that,
Yeah.
you have to put it back the panel. I shut it up. Run the tub
Okay.
and toilet. Okay? Yeah. Use the shoe cover. You have a shoe cover? Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting the guy. Need to flush the toilet. Make sure it's no leak, you know. There's a pinhole. I don't know. This shoe line copper. I think this one is 60 years old. I don't know. Yeah, Saturday, working hard. Thursday, Friday, I'm working. Yeah, this maintenance is very hard to work. Nasty job. I put over there. Oh yeah, plus the toilet. Oh, okay. I don't think so. No leak. Yeah, see. Yeah, I don't see any leak here. Oh, because only this one is a pinhole, so easy to cover the putty, rubber, and clamp. Yeah, so second time plus the toilet. Oh, I think no more leak. Okay, I'm glad. Alright now. We're gonna cover the ceiling for temporary. Yeah, it's good over there. Okay, thank you guys. Please like my videos and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.